my name is Paolo Canet from Italy. Oh, it was an amazing experience, really. We had the possibility to enjoy the ride in the country, and then to reach also the highest level of the mountain. I don't remember now the name, but
yeah,
it was
WJs.
Yes, we had a very nice lunch on the top, and then we came back, and of course we arrived in a fantastic resort. We spent our dinner all together with friends, and really also the service is great. I'm very happy. I would like to continue this ride, and I hope to enjoy in the next days. My expectations today are to, of course, enjoy like yesterday.
At the Fugero Rotana Hotel, which is a favorite bikers hotel here on the East Coast in the UAE. Today we're going to follow the coast, the Gulf of Oman, and end up in Al Ain, which is an oasis. And we'll be parked on top of the mountain, staying at the Merkur Hotel.
Ciao ragazzi, io sono felice di essere qui al sole. Alle 8:30 del mattino ci saranno già 30 gradi. Un bacio a tutti. See you later.
Insomma sì, come dicono i piemontesi. Ciao. Bel giro, bella compagnia, bella organizzazione, tutto ok. Grazie. Ciao.
non hanno problemi qua, eh.
Ma quando cazzo finisce sul lungomare? Il lungomare che hanno tirato su.
Io plata.
Comunque io iniziano sereno. Io l'ho avuto già previsto.
Michael, we're doing the opposite. You guys want to get a little bit lighter, we want to get a bit darker.
Hanno l'acqua anche
Con Cenisio.
Siamo al Nivolè.
Where are we, sir? We're in where are we now? Are we in Oman? No. Where are we? We're in Hatta. Hatta. Actually, we're at the Hatta Dam. Ooh, show them what it looks like.
Lago Page.
Nice serene. Beautiful.
Lake Powell. Lake Powell.
I've never been on. The infrastructure here is unbelievable. It's really amazing. The highways are pristine, brand new. The twisties. Listen, you got to come to Dubai. Yeah.
Storybox Audio. Storybox Audio. Storybox Audio.